You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this girl's name? And no, it's not Irish. If you're looking for Irish names pronunciations, I've got loads of them and they're all confusing, but that's of German origin, meaning battle mighty. Two different ways of pronouncing it in English. Let's break them down. British English, in the UK, let's say it as Maude, Maude. Okay, so you could spell this M-A-W-D, Maude, Maude. So it's more of an O sound almost, but not quite exactly. It's an O sound. That's the sound of A-U letters together. Maude. Now in American English they have a more open R sound. Sounds really more like the letter A, R. Maude is how it's said in America, in the US. Maude, Maude or Maude. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Maude or Maude. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.